Getting started with Leapfrog Works is straightforward. You may enter the startup process at any stage, either from a trial, or if you're part of an existing company using Works, your administrator may have added you to the licensed group. Whether you're a part of an organized company user group or starting with a trial, the first step is to register for a My Leapfrog ID. Getting started with the trial is easy and can be immediately accessed at leapfrog3d.com. If your company is already licensed for Works, your Leapfrog Works experience will begin with receiving an introductory email containing a registration link when your administrator adds you to a license group. Your My Leapfrog ID provides you with access not only to the Leapfrog Works software, but also to all of the resources available on My Leapfrog, as well as View, Sequent's cloud-based model sharing solution. My Leapfrog is an online ecosystem that provides Leapfrog users seamless access to self-serve software usage tracking, online training, help files, support, and the latest product downloads. It also hosts a community discussion forum where we invite you to share your knowledge and discuss topics with other Leapfrog users. Click here to download Leapfrog Works and run through the installation process. Depending on your company's IT policy, you may require your IT department to assist with the installation process. Once Leapfrog Works is installed, it's easy to get up and running. When you open Leapfrog Works for the first time, you will be presented with a sign-in screen. Sign in with your My Leapfrog ID. Click Remember Me to skip this sign-in step in subsequent Leapfrog Works sessions. At the start of each session, you will be presented with this window where you can select the license group you wish to consume from and the solution kits you require for this session. If you've just registered, you will typically only see one organization or group. However, some users may belong to multiple license groups. If this is the case, select the group you wish to use. Any solution kits available to that group will be listed. Simply tick the box if you wish to use one of these kits for this session. Click Get Started to begin your Leapfrog Works session. The first time you launch Leapfrog Works, you will be presented with this Discover window. Click Watch Videos to access a comprehensive library of bite-sized online learning videos, or the X to dismiss the message for this Leapfrog Works session. Click Got It to prevent this message from appearing in subsequent Leapfrog Works sessions. If you wish to access these videos later on, they will always be accessible from the User Identity menu in the top right corner of the screen. In addition to launching the training videos, you can also use this drop-down to modify your selected solution kits or switch users. If you have any questions regarding the Getting Started with Leapfrog Works process, please contact your license administrator or see the following resources.